Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so you are well. In previous, I showed you the application process of some Norwegian university named University of Southeastern Norway and Østfold University College. The link will be shown in my description and iCard also, so you can check that video. And I also made that video how we can accept their offer letter. And I again said that I upload the video link in my description and also give the link in my iCard. I am Siam and today in this video I will show you how we can pay our visa embassy fee by ourselves in our home. Before paying our visa application fee, I have to tell something that in Bangladesh there has no Norwegian embassy and no Norwegian VFS. We have to pay our visa fee to the Danish embassy. So in this video I will show you how we can pay our Danish embassy fee or Norwegian embassy fee. For paying our visa application fee, we can only use our Visa or Master, Debit or Credit card. And before applying, I again say that maybe for some versioning problem, we can't pay our visa embassy fee by some bank's card. For my case, I am an AB Bank card holder, but for versioning problem, I also cannot give our visa application fee by my card. So a senior sister who carried a Visa debit card in Standard Chartered Bank, she paid my visa embassy fee. So let's go for it, how I pay my visa application fee.
First of all, we will open any browser, then write Danish Embassy Bangladesh Payment. Then we will go visa.vfsglobal.com, that link. The link will be shown in my description also. After going that link, if we scroll down that page, here we will see a drop down. Then we will select a Norway. Then if we scroll down again and click the visa fees tab, then we can see that resident and work permit visa fee for Bangladesh is 21,350 BDT and in DKK the amount is 1,600 and the visa service fee is 1,218 BDT. If we scroll down, then we can see two links. One is that link and another one is the guideline. If we click the guideline, then we can see the whole process, how we can pay our visa fees. And if we click that link, it will be redirected that page. And if we scroll down, then we can see a checkbox. We check the checkbox and click the button. Then we have to write our all first and middle names. We have to be very careful while filling all these fields. And this information have to be similar from our passport. So first of all, we write our first and middle names. Then write our last name and we have to write our date of birth. We can write our passport number. It's not mandatory. If we want, then we can write. Then we will click the next button. Here we have to write the buyer information. That means we have to write all the information who is going to pay our visa application fee. So in my case, I am the person who is paying my visa application fee. So in that field, I put my information in these fields. After writing all the fields, we have to click the next button. Here is the summary page. We can check all the things. If all the information are correct, then we can click next button. Here they said that we have to pay 1600 DKK. If we check the checkbox, then scroll down, then we have to select the drop down list. I am selecting visa because I am paying the visa application fee as my visa card. Then hit the proceed to payment button. Then we have to write our credit card number, expiry, month and year, and the CVC. What is CVC? If we click the question mark, then they said that what is CVC. So I just put down all the information. After putting all the information, we have to click pay 1600 KL. In here, I see that my payment is failed because my Visa debit card has the previous version, but the Visa Embassy Fee except the updated version card. Here is my Visa Embassy Fee payment receipt. In here, we only can see the buyer's information, and in the lower part of this page, we can see the purchase overview, which defined the quantity and the total price. And if we go up, then we can see there are two sections. One is payment and another one is buyer. That means who paid and who get the money. And we don't worry, in here there has no information about the applicant. Thank you for watching this video.